Welcome back to Primetime Sports. And where else will we pick up other than at the National Stadium? Because a world-leading run from Holland High School's Shanoya Douglas and a lifetime best performance from Excelsior High School's Riquelme Reed in the 100 meters highlighted day 2 of the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships at the National Stadium on Wednesday. Details in this report.
Shanoya Douglas became the 4th fastest Jamaican junior female sprinter when she sped to a world-leading and a personal best 10.98 seconds to win the Class 1 girls 100 meters. The Edwin Allen pair of Alex Henry and Renesia Edwards were 2nd and 3rd respectively in times of 11.21 and 11.45 seconds. Douglas joined national junior record holder Alana Reid 10.92 seconds, Tina Clayton 10.95 and Brianna Williams 10.97 seconds as Jamaican junior women to dip under 11 seconds. Meanwhile, Riquelme Reed of Excelsior High produced a personal best 10.12 seconds to capture the Class 1 boys 100 meters ahead of Tyrese Foreman of St. George's College 10.21 and Edwin Allen's Romario Finnegan 10.22 seconds. In the meantime, the Class 2 boys equivalent was won by Kai Kelly of Jamaica College in a personal best 10.28 seconds. Natrice East of Woolmer's Girls took the Class 2 title for her section in a personal best 11.21 seconds. Woolmer's boys Johnny Lumley won the Class 3 title for his category in a personal best 10.71 seconds, ahead of teammate Joshua McWilliams, who was 2nd in a personal best 10.81. Danielia Clark of Edwin Allen won the girls' equivalent in 11.66 seconds, while Brianna Gray of Excelsior took Class 4 honors in 12.01 seconds. Meanwhile, the first record of the championships came in the Class 3 boys 1500 meters, where Kingston College's Julius Itubo lowered his own record set last year. He clocked 4 minutes 00.76 seconds to break his previous mark of 4 minutes 05.15. The Class 1 boys equivalent was won by St. Jago's Ryan Chow in an outstanding 3 minutes 50.71 seconds, while Jovi Rose of Homewood Technical took the Class 1 girls equivalent in 4 minutes 45.15 seconds. However, Edwin Allen's Kevon Gay Fowler was the fastest girl in the event on the day, taking the Class 2 equivalent in 4 minutes 41.37 seconds to win her first ever gold medal at Champs. Philip Palmer of St. Jago won the Class 2 boys event in 4 minutes 09.01 seconds. Over in the field, Jamaica College secured a 1-2 finish in the Class 1 boys long jump final, with Michael Andre Edwards taking top honors with 7.71 meters and Javier Cato finishing 2nd with a mark of 7.21 meters. O'Dane Noble of Kingston College won the Class 2 event, cutting the sand at 7.18 meters. Jamila Young of Clarendon College won the Class 2 girls shot put with an effort of 14.71 meters. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.